Welcome to my channel Gadgets Lab. Earnings disclaimer. Big Cow Ultra Slim Bidet Attachment for Toilet Dual Nozzle, Frontal and Rear Wash, with adjustable cold water pressure and stainless steel inlet. Hygienic solution for fresh cleanliness. Dual spraying modes. This toilet bidet offers both rear wash for thorough cleaning and a specially designed frontal wash for women during their period or for pregnant mothers, promoting a healthy, hygiene-conscious, and environmentally friendly lifestyle. Ultra-thin design at less than a quarter-inch thick, this bidet attachment fits comfortably with standard toilets without the need to lift the seat, ensuring a seamless and aesthetically pleasing look. Easy-to-use controls. With an easy grip knob, you can adjust the water pressure and spraying mode to your liking, making it ideal for those with mobility issues. Experience the refreshing feeling of a shower with just a turn of a knob. Lead-free. Hygiene Crafted with all stainless steel water connecting parts, this bidet attachment is guaranteed to be lead-free, offering a healthier and more sanitary experience compared to traditional bidets with brass components. Its design focuses on detail, ensuring durability. Thanks for watching and subscribe.